Hi, my name's Rob Vore, and in this episode of City Grillin', I'm going to do something a little bit different with some shrimp here. It's been a little cold outside, and like I love to grill, but there's a time when I just get tired of the coldness, and it's like, okay, I'm inside. So we're going to use the air fryer today to do something, I don't know what else to call this, but maybe like a firecracker shrimp. I have some fresh South Carolina, North Carolina shrimp right here that I've already deveined, taken the shell off. It's ready to go. I've dried it up a little bit, so it's really nice. And I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of olive oil on here. It looks like a lot when you pour it, but that's probably even less. If you want to really kick this up, you could use a hot oil as well to put in here, but I'm not gonna do that. I already have some spicy ingredients in here already. I have a little bit of cayenne pepper, just like an eighth of a teaspoon, some oregano, some thyme. What else do I have in here? Some black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, a little paprika. And so this is a simple recipe just to go ahead and sprinkle this on the shrimp, just like so. Coat it really good. I'm just gonna use my hands here to mix this up to make sure all the shrimp gets coated. And get ready to stick this into the air fryer. It's a quick meal. It only takes a few minutes. The hardest part is probably deveining the shrimp, really, on this recipe. The rest of it's quick and easy. It tastes great. I've had it a few times already. It's great with white rice, or if you want to do it with grits, that's fine. I like it with coleslaw. I like the sweetness of a coleslaw to the spiciness of this recipe. So let's get ready to put this in the air fryer. Okay, I'm at the air fryer right now, right? I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. I'm gonna do 390 degrees and set it for about 4 minutes. It might take 5 minutes. We're just gonna check and watch the shrimp as it cooks a little bit. This is 2 pounds of shrimp. It's not all gonna fit in here, but I'm gonna place it on the tray that's in here, or the screen that's already on here. And this will take care of about almost of a pound, because this is a fairly good sized shrimp, right? So I'll just place it on here, just like that. Maybe squeeze a few more in here. Spread them out. It's okay if they touch a little bit. Just don't stack them up real heavy in here. Maybe a few more. So I get about half, about a pound in here at a time. This is a good size air fryer, which I really like that. Sure helps. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut this and turn it on. Let it cook for 4 minutes, and as soon as it gets pink, we're gonna be ready to eat this. Okay, we're down to the last few seconds here. Ding, it's ready to go. Let's take a look. Wow, this looks delicious. I checked this at 4 minutes, so at 4 minutes it looked pretty good, but I think it needed at least a minute longer. So it's been a total of 5 minutes for this shrimp. And this looks very, very good. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it up over here on a plate. Just get a few out for myself real quick. Wow, they're nice and tender. I can feel the tenderness of this shrimp. That's gonna taste delicious. I have some fresh homemade coleslaw right here. I'll put a little bit of onions, chives on here, just like that. Dress it up some more. I'm just gonna eat the shrimp by itself. I'm gonna grab just a little bit of onion here. Give it a try. Good. It's spicy. It doesn't have all the breading like you would in a store or a restaurant. I'd highly recommend this recipe. Get the recipe at citygrillin.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And just below here, you can get the recipe as well. This is very good. Now, you can also make it hotter if you want. If you need more cayenne, that's okay. If you really like it hot, this is about perfect. It's hot, but it's not super hot. All right, see you next time.